Don't put egg white on your face until you hear this. Because that tight frozen feeling people call a natural facelift might not be a real lift at all. It might just be your skin drying like paper. And flaxseed gel, that slippery, strange-looking gel people call nature's Botox, may actually do something egg white can't do. But here's the twist. One of them gives you a fast, dramatic tightening effect in minutes. The other gives your skin a softer, plumper, more flexible, lifted look over time. So which one is better, egg white mask or flaxseed gel? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use, when to use it, how to apply it, and the one mistake that makes both of them fail. Because if you use the wrong one on the wrong skin type, your face may feel tighter, but look drier, duller, and older. Let's compare them properly. A lot of people want a lifted face, not a surgical lift, not injections, just that fresh look where the cheeks seem firmer, the jawline looks cleaner, the skin looks smoother, and the face doesn't look tired. So what do most people do? They run to strong tightening creams, harsh exfoliating acids, alcohol-heavy toners, or products that promise instant firming. And sometimes, yes, they work for a few hours. The skin feels tight, the pores look smaller, the face looks slightly pulled. But many of these products can also leave the skin barrier angry, dry, shiny in the wrong way, flaky around the nose, stinging around the mouth. And when the skin barrier gets weak, your face starts acting confused. It produces more oil in some places, it becomes dry in other places, makeup sits badly, dark spots look more obvious, fine lines look sharper. That's why natural facelifting remedies became so popular. People want something simple, something they can make in the kitchen, something that feels clean, fresh, and safe. But natural doesn't always mean perfect. Egg white and flaxseed gel are both powerful in different ways. The real question is not, which one is trending? The real question is, which one is better for your skin's actual need? Let's start with egg white. Egg white is mostly water and protein. When you spread it on your face, it dries into a thin film. As that film dries, it pulls slightly on the surface of your skin. That's the famous tightening feeling. It can make the face feel firmer fast, almost like your skin is being gently held in place. If you have oily skin, egg white can also make the surface feel less greasy for a short time. But here's the truth. Egg white doesn't rebuild collagen. It doesn't truly lift sagging skin from deep inside. It gives a temporary surface tightening effect. Think of it like wearing a very thin, invisible mask that dries and pulls. Now let's talk about flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel feels completely different. It's slippery, soft, almost like clear plant mucus. I know it doesn't sound glamorous, but that texture is exactly why people love it. Flaxseed contains natural mucilage. That's the gel-like substance that forms when the seeds are boiled in water. This gel coats the skin with a soft, flexible layer. It helps the skin feel hydrated, smoother, and slightly plumper. Flaxseed also contains antioxidants and omega fatty acids. In simple terms, antioxidants help fight the stress that makes skin look tired, dull, and older. The gel also helps water sit on the skin longer, so your face doesn't feel stripped. So here's the simple comparison. Egg white gives a quick tightening snap. Flaxseed gel gives a soft, hydrated, bouncy firmness. Egg white feels like a quick pull. Flaxseed feels like a cushion. If you want an instant, I need to look tighter today effect, egg white may win. But if you want a gentler, natural facelift look that doesn't leave your skin feeling dry, flaxseed gel is usually the better choice, especially if your skin is mature, sensitive, dry, or easily irritated. But don't choose yet, because the method changes everything. Let's do the egg white mask first. Take one fresh egg, separate the white from the yolk. You only need the clear egg white. Whisk it with a fork until it becomes slightly foamy, not stiff like cake frosting, just light and bubbly. Wash your face first with a gentle cleanser. Pat it dry. Now, apply a thin layer of egg white using clean fingers or a soft brush. Thin is the secret. Not thick, not dripping, not running down your neck. A thin layer dries better and tightens more evenly. Focus on the cheeks, jawline, forehead, and around the mouth. But don't put it too close to the eyes. That skin is delicate. As the egg white dries, you'll feel it. First, it feels cool, then slightly sticky, then tight. Your face may feel like you can't smile properly. That's normal. Leave it on for about 8 to 12 minutes, not 30 minutes, not 1 hour. When it's dry and tight, rinse it off gently with cool water. Don't scrub, don't peel it. Just soften it with water and remove it slowly. Then apply a light moisturizer. That last step matters, because egg white can leave the skin feeling tight and dry if you don't seal moisture back in. Now, the flaxseed gel. Take 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds, add it to half a cup of water, pour it into a small pot. Let it simmer on low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. Stir gently. You'll see the water change. It becomes thicker, silky, stretchy, almost like a clear gel. Turn off the heat before it becomes too thick because once it cools it gets even thicker. Strain it while it's still warm. Use a fine strainer, clean cloth, or cheesecloth. Let the gel cool completely. Now, apply it to clean skin. It will feel slippery at first. Cool, soft, almost like aloe vera, but thicker. Spread it upward from your chin to your cheeks, from your cheeks toward your temples, from your forehead upward. Use slow lifting motions. Don't rush this part. Give your face a 1-minute massage while applying it. That movement wakes up the skin and helps reduce that tired, heavy look. Leave the gel on for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel it tighten, but not as sharply as egg white. It's more comfortable, more flexible, less cracking. Then, rinse with cool water and follow with moisturizer. Now here's my pro tip. Most people make flaxseed gel too thick. When it's too thick, it sits on the face like glue. It becomes messy, flakes easily, and makes people think it doesn't work. The best flaxseed gel for the face should be light and spreadable, like a serum, not like hair gel. So, if your gel is too thick, add a few drops of clean water and mix it until it glides easily. That one adjustment changes everything. Now let's talk about the mistakes. Mistake number 1, using egg white every day. Please don't. Egg white is not a daily skincare treatment. It's more like a special occasion mask. Use it once a week or maybe twice if your skin is very oily and handles it well. If your skin feels tight, itchy, or rough afterward, stop. Your skin is talking. Mistake number 2, leaving either mask on until your face feels uncomfortable. More time doesn't mean more lift. With natural masks, overdoing it can backfire. When your face starts feeling too tight, too dry, or irritated, rinse it off. Mistake number 3, applying these masks on dirty skin. If oil, sweat, sunscreen, or makeup is sitting on your face, the mask won't work properly. Clean skin first, always. Mistake number 4, skipping the patch test. Put a little on your jawline or inner arm first. Wait and see how your skin reacts. This is especially important with egg white, because some people react badly to it. And never use egg white on broken skin, active wounds, or irritated acne. Mistake number 5, expecting a kitchen mask to do the job of surgery. Let's be honest, no egg white mask and no flaxseed gel will lift the face like a medical procedure, but they can help your skin look fresher, smoother, tighter, and more alive when used correctly, and that's still powerful. Now, which one is better? Here's my honest answer. For instant tightening before an event, egg white wins. If you're taking pictures going out, or you want that quick firm feeling, egg white can give you a fast surface lift. But for a better natural facelift routine overall, flaxseed gel wins. It's gentler, more hydrating, more flexible, better for mature skin, better for dry skin, better for sensitive skin, and better if you want your face to look plump, smooth, and naturally refreshed instead of just tight. So, my personal choice? Flaxseed gel for regular use. Egg white only when you need a quick tightening boost. And here's a beautiful trick. You don't have to choose forever. You can use flaxseed gel 2 or 3 times a week. Then use egg white once a week when you want that extra firming effect. But never use both at the same time in one mask if your skin is sensitive. That can be too much. So here's the final verdict. Egg white is the quick snatch. Flaxseed gel is the soft lift. Egg white tightens. Flaxseed plumps. Egg white feels dramatic. Flaxseed feels nourishing. The better one depends on what your skin is asking for. If your face is oily and you want a fast, firm look, try egg white. If your face feels dry, tired, mature, or sensitive, start with flaxseed gel. Now I want you to comment below with one word, egg white or flaxseed. Tell me which one you'd try first. And also tell me your skin type, oily, dry, combination, sensitive, or mature. I'll use that to help you know how long to leave it on and how often to use it. And if you're part of this natural glow-getter family, this is where we test simple beauty secrets the smart way. Not blindly, not because everyone is doing it, but because your skin deserves remedies that make sense. So join the channel, stay close, and keep your kitchen ready. Because in the next video, I'll show you another natural tightening recipe that people use for a smoother jawline and brighter skin, but one ingredient in it must be handled very carefully. And once you see why, you'll never mix face masks the same way again.